Ram Ram to you and the learned panel here and all the audience who are watching this. And ma'am, this is simple sentiments of people who are there. They are pious. This is a pious month. This is the only festival in the world where the mother is celebrated. All the 9 days, 9 forms of mother is celebrated. The feminine celebration is not there in any other system, any other faith, nowhere in the world. And in this, there is a small request by the community. Can you stop hurting the sentiments? When these people who fast, who are obedient, who practice Navratri, they go to temple when they go around, and when they see meat around them, their sentiments are hurt. And we all, we are good people. So we should respect their sentiments. We should respect their appeal. And I think we should stop this. And everybody should come together and say, yes, this is only 9 days. It's a matter of 9 days, not more, where we should respect sentiments of this obedient crowd and who celebrates a fantastic celebration of mother. Tell me anywhere in the world, do you see this kind of celebration where, mother has been celebrated like this? So my request to you and through you to everybody who is observing this particular fantastic debate is, let us respect this pious festival. Let us respect this fantastic celebration of 9 days. And
Vineet,
no meats in
Vineet
there.
Goenka,
People
Navratri is
should
going
proactively
on.
stop their shops.
Ramzan is also going on. Vineet
Yeah,
Goenka, my question to
Ramadan
you
is a very
was
nice
very
festival.
simple. What is the reason behind this post-dated order? You have given me a reason. You say that it is a request by the community. Fair enough. I will get Ms. Meera Agarwal to respond to this particular point of yours. But before that, I want to again ask you what I asked earlier. What is the reason behind this post-dated order? Why could we not get this order on, say, 1st of April or maybe 31st of March so that the people who are involved in this particular business could be prepared for it? I'm talking about the livelihood of the people that's going to get impacted with this order of yours. Mr. Vineet Goenka.
Thank you for asking this fantastic 3 questions in one question. So let me go one by one for each of the question which you have asked me. Navratri started on 2nd of April. It will go until 11th of April, 9 days. Order came, the request or the suggestion or the letter or the order came on 4th. It was on the 2nd. When community saw that people are not cooperating, they're deliberately hurting, hanging meat pieces outside their shop. Then people, the community went and requested the mayor. Mayor heard the opinion. He wrote in the letter that it is opinion of larger public there, people there, and so I'm requesting to stop the shop. So there is nothing called as post-dated, pre-dated, 1 day to 2 days. I have never asked this question to judges who stopped selling of crackers a day before Diwali, whether there will be losses to the people who are selling this thing. I never asked a question to Arvind Kejriwal ji when he stopped Chhat Puja a day before that. Thousands of people sell things which are used in Chhat. Madam, in the Chhat, we take sugar cane sticks, we take other stuffs there, and there are small businessmen,
So your
small petty
argument,
businessmen.
Vineet Goenka,
Yeah,
is
hear me
that
out. Let me ask you three
suddenly
questions. My
on second
request is,
and
I'll give
third
you one by one
you
answer.
got these
Ma'am,
requests from the members of Hindu community, and that is the reason why the mayor of
simple.
SDMC was
I would
forced to
request all
issue
the others
this
gathering
particular
here
order.
and
Okay, Vineet
Hinaji.
Goenka, how will you like to respond? Why are liquor shops still open during Navratri?
Hinaji, I don't have words to thank you. I've been requesting AAP CM not to sell liquor the way he's selling. He's promoting liquor like a salesman, reducing the
No,
age
you
of
can
drinking
request the
liquor.
mayor
You
also,
know,
no?
yeah.
The mayor
Let me
has
complete
come
my,
out with
let me
an
complete my
order.
answer.
He
Please
has
allow me to complete
asked
my
that the
answer.
meat
My request
shops
is
should be
allow me
shut
to,
during
yes,
Navratri. If that has
allow me
been
to
your
complete my
request, you can
sentence, ma'am.
request your mayor only to shut liquor shops also
Yes,
during
ma'am.
Navratri.
Yes, ma'am.
You
I'll
have
answer
all the
you, but let me
powers.
complete my answer first, ma'am. Let me complete my answer, ma'am. My request is, it's a nice channel, it is a fantastic anchor. So my request to Arvind Kejriwal ji through you is, by reducing age of drinking, by increasing the number of hours of selling the liquor, and increasing the shop, he is not only harming the Hindu majority, but also harming the sentiments of Muslim minority. Because Islam also does not allow it. So if he's eyeing on the votes of Islam, my request to him is not to do this. And families get disturbed when people drink. So my request through you to him is, he should stand up and tell, okay, South MCD has stopped meat selling. I will stop selling alcohol in the entire Delhi region. And it will be a fantastic thing. My request again through you to everybody who is discussing this is, please respect our sentiments. These are 9 days of celebration. Fantastic celebration of mother. Why do you want to hurt us by asking us that why should not you eat meat or why should we not sell meat? No, दिन में कोई बहुत बड़ा नुकसान नहीं होगा. इकोनॉमिकल नुकसान तो
Okay,
बिल्कुल नहीं होगा.
Vineet Goenka, like I asked Miss Meera Agarwal, a mayor represents not one religious group of people. Navratri is practiced with abstinence, but what about Muslims who are celebrating Ramadan? Before I started this debate, we heard what the people have to say. Also living in areas that come under SDMC. What about their sentiments? What about their religious sentiments?
Thank you, Hina ji. And I have never seen an anchor like you who has given ample time without interruption to all my co-panelists. Very nice, ma'am. So let me now tell you all the answers of
To
the
you
earlier
also.
panelists. Yeah, of course. Everybody. You have given everybody and to me also. So I congratulate you. And there have been pointers which have been pointed by representatives of political party and proxy representatives of political parties also here. So let me go one by one. An order comes on 23rd
Mr.
January
Vineet Goenka,
2019.
Mr. Vineet Goenka, Mr. Vineet Goenka, Mr. Vineet Goenka, let me just make it very, very clear. Let's be respectful towards each other. These are my guests, just like you. Everybody on the show is my guest today. So please respond to what these people have said without, being personal with anybody. That's my request, humble request.
Okay, let me keep my point, and I'm sure you will give me enough time to answer all the 19 questions been raised by earlier 4 people in 3 rounds without represented by
19 questions. Okay.
Yeah, I've written that. I can read all the 19 questions which have been asked. I've been very academic to write one by one. So somebody asked about, what happens. You never talked about petrol
Okay,
prices.
I have
You never talked
very
about
little time on the debate left, so you'll have to be really quick with your answers, Mr. Vineet Goenka.
If you want, I will not also answer also, man. That's not a problem because that's not an absolute problem. We were never
No,
allowed
go ahead.
decades and decades in Congress as to speak, so that's not a problem. I will not get offended, madam, at all. You have your right as an anchor. But let me tell you, the lady who talked about petrol prices, she should also talk about non-payment, which is due from the state government to MCD, which runs into 13,000 crore rupees. And because of this, in the Corona period, my Valmiki brother, let me also put it again, Hindu Valmiki brother was not paid his salary because state government of Delhi chose not to pay the legitimate dues of MCD. Number 2, the corruption of in Jal board.
So why did your corporators did not raise it up in the assembly? Why did you not
Madam,
people raise it up in the particular government?
I will not like to get into
No,
this.
no.
Okay,
You
okay.
Proxy.
Ravi
You cannot
Srivastava,
divert
let him make his point. Ravi Srivastava, let him make his
So why
point
did you make
first.
it
Let
up
him
earlier,
finish. I'll
please?
come back to you for a
Is it-
response as well.
We are on a beat debates, madam.
Vineet Goenka, go ahead.
No, this happens with him, madam. Don't worry. So when there is a corruption in DTC, we don't raise it or what. But I'm not talking about DTC corruption. I'm not talking about Jal board corruption. I am not talking about even the payment done to the imams. But for somebody who said this was earlier paid, the order is dated 23rd January 2019. Who was the chief minister? You can tell me in Delhi.
No, first you tell me about the order dated 4th of April, the letter that was written by SDMC Mayor. Please talk about that and the specific questions that I have asked you.
There is a deliberate attempt to stop me from speaking a single line continuously, either by you or by somebody else. Let me complete, madam. I heard everybody.
But
Please
Mr.
allow me,
Vineet
allow me,
Goenka,
madam.
you said
Allow
that
me,
there are
madam,
about
correct.
19 questions that you have noted down. Why don't you respond to those 19 questions? I hope they are relevant to the issue that we are discussing tonight.
Whenever Hindu is insulted, you are very excited. But let me now tell you one thing. This is a request. It's a celebration of Mother.
Come on,
So let me answer
Mr.
one by
Vineet
one.
Goenka, I am
No,
a
you're not
Hindu
allowing me to
myself
speak,
and
madam.
do not dare say things like that. I'm sorry.
Madam, you're not allowing
This
me
is
to
a very
answer, ma'am.
convenient
You are like this
answer that
whenever
you are
I will
giving
give-
today because
Madam,
you do
try
not
any
want
number
to,
of times. I will
because you
not
do
get
not
distracted.
want to
No,
respond to
answer is in my
the,
mind.
basic questions that I
Whatever
have
you
asked
tell
you.
me, madam, I've seen many senior anchors who try to distract, but I will not lose my composure. Neither I will lose my answer, madam. Please respect my answer.
I am not trying to distract Mr. Vineet Goenka. I have asked you a straight question and you do not want to respond to that straight question.
A single line, ma'am. You're interrupting every single line.
No,
which you
I
do not
am
give
giving
it
you
to me.
all the time. I asked you a direct question. Where is the answer?
Madam, let me answer. Let me
I
answer.
asked you a straight question.
Doesn't
Forget
a
about
Hindu
those
have a right
19
to have
questions.
his
Okay,
religious
forget
practices?
about those 19 questions.
Why
I
can't we
will
have
ask you
right
one
to have
straight
religious
question.
practices?
Mr.
Why don't you
Vineet
respect
Goenka,
our sentiments,
Mr.
ma'am?
Vineet Goenka,
It is
Mr.
our
Vineet
request
Goenka,
that there should be sentiment.
Mr. Vineet
Where is the
Goenka,
sentiment
you
of
spoke
one
about
man or
19
we have a
questions.
sentiment
I
of
want to
boxing
ask
match,
you
madam,
one
behind us.
question.
Why don't
Mr.
you
Vineet
respect our
Goenka,
sentiments? What is the harm
Mr.
in
Vineet
sentiments?
Goenka,
And please
Mr.
tell me a
Vineet
senior food in
Goenka,
Islam.
please hear my
Islam that
question
in
now.
Ramadan, they
A
should eat meat.
mayor
Please tell me.
represents
Please
not
tell me,
one
madam, where is
religious
the
group
article
or
which is written in
people.
the Constitution where meat should
A
be served on
mayor
the Muharram occasion?
represents not one
Madam,
religious group
please,
or people.
ma'am, please, I can also
Navratri
raise voice.
is practiced
Sir,
with
please allow me to
abstinence.
express
What
my
about
sentiments.
Muslims who are
You
celebrating
are so
Ramadan
nice.
is
You
my
are allow-
straight
Why are
question
you
for
muzzling
you.
white of a Hindu? Why are you muzzling whites? Madam, there is nowhere in Islam written that
Mr.
in
Vineet
Ramadan meat
Goenka,
should be
let's
eaten, ma'am.
not
Our
make
request is
it so
folded hand.
petty. We are
Don't eat
discussing
meat
a
in this line,
serious
the static
issue.
हट जाएगा. एक बार तो सम्मान दे दीजिए हमें हमें लगा कि हमको दुख होता है, हमारे दुख को आप एक बार भी जाहिर नहीं कर देंगे।
मैं सबसे पहले जब डिबेट शुरू की थी, आई केम टू यू, आई गेव यू टाइम टू रिस्पॉन्ड, सो यू कैन नॉट एक्यूज मी ऑफ नॉट गिविंग यू टाइम टू रिस्पॉन्ड।
हिंदू धर्म के मंदिर को तो दे दीजिए। वी नेवर ऑब्जेक्टेड मैडम व्हेन यू गिव 90
Okay, please respond if you want to say something. Mr. Vineet Goenka, if you have an answer, please respond.
But you never paid a single penny to pujaris. We never objected, ma'am. I never objected when you went to Rome, ma'am. I never said कि वैष्णो देवी पे जाइए।
Do you have an answer to the direct question that I asked you?
My direct question is,
Do you have an answer?
Please show me a single book in Islam which says that in Ramadan meat should be eaten. Please tell me, madam. Please show me a single article in Constitution where it is written that meat should be sold in Ramadan. Rather, if the person phrases Article 48, it says protection should be there. And when we respect minority, I enjoy people doing namaz. I enjoy when they have Ramadan. I respect them. I also respect them when they ask for only halal meat. But can't I ask for jhatka meat? Can't I ask for kosher meat? Why are you not respecting my sentiments, madam? I'm folding a hand. I'm saying कि मेरा तो 9 दिन की बात है केवल, आप बाकी दिन खाइए ना जो करना है। आप जब मीट सर्व करते तो मैं थोड़ी बोलता कि आप हलाल मत खाइए, मैं कह रहा मुझे झटका दीजिए।
नहीं तो अब आप डिसाइड करेंगे कि किसको क्या खाना चाहिए और कब खाना चाहिए। Is the mayor now going to decide what we should be eating?
Please tell me a single.
Isn't it denial of right of choice?
मैडम पढ़ाई भी नहीं करके आते।
So they're doing one after the other.
इस तरह से लगातार उन दिनों में
Swati wants to come in. Swati Malik.
के लिए कह रहे हैं ना जी, ये तो नहीं कह रहे कि अपने घर में आप ना खाइए, हम अपने घर में अपना त्योहार मना रहे हैं, बाजार में
Swati Malik wants to come in.
के टुकड़े पड़े हैं, हड्डियों के टुकड़े पड़े हैं, उनसे हमें ऑब्जेक्शन है। हमें किसी के घर में त्योहार मनाने से कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं है।
Benefited Muslim girls, madam. Why do you want to deny Hindu equality, madam? I see there is a denial of Hindu. Look, I am requesting you, madam. It's only 9 days. हमारा थोड़ा तो सम्मान कर दीजिए, मैडम, थोड़ा तो कर दीजिए।
Hina, if I may come in now.
तकलीफ हो जाएगा।
Swati Malik wants to respond.
Hina,
Swati Malik wants to respond.
the unfortunate part is that BJP today has become the, मतलब पूरा Hinduism उन्होंने ही संभाला हुआ है, it looks like.
आपके
It looks like they are the, please let me complete now. No. You please let me complete.
केवल आप ही करेंगे।
Don't interrupt. I can't.
धर्म को विरोध करने के लिए।
Well, there is a saying which is very common with BJP, which is to not indulge in the shout. I can't match you. I cannot match you in this shouting. I can talk logic.
करेंगे हिंदू सेंटिमेंट को हर्ट करेंगे चलेगा। मैं आपसे
किसने
प्लीड
हर्ट किया सर? मैं भी हिंदू हूँ, क्या हो गया इसमें? आप इतने
मैडम
विनीत गोयनका एक बात बताइए, विनीत गोयनका, चलिए स्वाति 1 सेकंड, विनीत गोयनका आप एक बात बताइए, सेंटिमेंट्स क्या, 1 सेकंड विनीत गोयनका, तो सेंटिमेंट्स क्या, ये जो शॉप्स होते हैं जहां पर मीट बेचा जाता है, अगर उनको बंद कर दिया जाएगा तो क्या उससे सेंटिमेंट हर्ट होने बंद हो जाएंगे? व्हाट अबाउट अदर प्लेसेस वेयर मीट विल कंटिन्यू टू गेट सोल्ड?
This is the first
People can get meat online also.
Request, ma'am.
Why is it being said that?
इतना संजीली क्या है, madam? Why it is so rigidity that you stop your car and don't go to office even if there is an economical loss because there is a prayer going on. Even if you don't want to listen, but today we are requesting you. कि 9 दिन 2 दिन
Shocking the kind of things.
हमने कभी बोला कि मत पे करिए इमाम।
Swati, my point is, why wake up on 4th of April on the 3rd Navratra? Why wake up on 4th of April? If this indeed was the intention, then why was this order not released on, say, 31st of March, 30th of March, so that these people could have been prepared for something else during these 9 days?
And like
Vineet Goenka, do you have an answer?
Of course, ma'am. My answer is very simple. We don't want you to hurt our sentiments. My answer is very simple. Please show me a single book which says in Ramadan meat should be eaten.
Okay.
Please show me
I want to give the last word now to Swati Malik.